Today we're going to be taking this 40-mile-per-hour electric scooter off-road on the dirt bike trails and off some sweet jumps. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Yeah! Alright guys, so this is the Varla Eagle 1. As you saw last time, we did the initial test, we did a speed test. Alex was able to get it up to 36 miles per hour, so basically 40, they claim 40. Overall, we were really impressed, but we haven't really taken it off-road yet because they do market it as an all-terrain scooter. We were impressed with how the suspension felt just on the gravel, but now we're gonna really test it out on the dirt bike trails here around my house. And then, like I said, we also have a few jumps we can probably hit. I have a kicker ramp that I built that I usually take everything off of that I test out. So we're gonna try that, maybe get it on the ramp as well. So for all the testing today, we're gonna go full power mode. We're gonna be dual motor and turbo mode. And also, might as well just have it on gear 3. So that's where the max speed is 40 miles per hour. All right guys, so we're gonna quick do a climb test because they do claim that it can climb 30-degree angle. So this is a really steep section of my driveway here. It is pavement, there's some leaves on it. We're gonna try to measure here. This is probably the steepest part right here. See what this really is. Well, I guess it's only 10 degrees. It seems really steep. But I can tell you that the Turbo Ant scooter cannot climb up this. And the Magicycle bike can, but really slow, like 5 to 7 miles per hour. The Magicycle can get up this. So we'll try this one first. I've also got a steeper hill that is rocky that we can try later. All right, so we're gonna start right on this hill. So this should be like the worst type of situation. Ready? Jeez. All right, well, that was really easy. That was, it was going 10, 11 miles an hour and increasing speed the whole way up. So really easy at a 10-degree slope. So I think it probably can do a 30-degree.
It also sounded like it was doing a burnout.
That was, yeah, it was spinning. The dual motor is what really helps you there. That thing freaking pulled. I wasn't expecting it actually to pull that hard, and it like bucked me like. All right, so now this is the other hill. This is a really steep hill too, and it's rocky, and it never looks as steep on camera, but this is a very steep hill. Let's try to measure it as well. It's pretty hard to measure, but I think, yeah, it's about right. 23, 25. It's about a 23, 25 degree angle and really rocky. I'll be really impressed if it goes up this.
Yeah.
I mean, no way. It's hard for the Jeep to get up this, so. Oh my gosh.
What?
Wow.
No.
That was pretty good.
No way.
That's crazy. Whew. Wow, literally like no run up either. I just started right there and you could see my trail.
That's crazy.
That just goes straight up. It was still spinning a little bit, but again, you can get off-road tires for this thing as well that they sell. So these are still kind of street tires and it still made it up that.
I would have put money that it would not have done that.
Yeah, that was pretty sweet. Now we can just go ahead and go through the trails and see how it does. There's a lot of leaves down, so we'll see how the grip is. Right up that hill. Jeez. Whoa, man. A lot of leaves up here.
That is so impressive.
Oh my gosh, this is fast. Oh my god. Oh, little squirrely. They got a little squirrely in all those leaves, but I mean, literally anything would. The dirt bike would too.
Yeah.
So many leaves down. Wow, this actually feels really good. It feels surprisingly good. I can tell you right now, this would be going nowhere if it wasn't all-wheel drive. Oh man. Woo. Pretty smooth. All right, here we go. This is a pretty steep hill. Oh man. We're spinning. Oh, we made it though.
Oh.
It just keeps
Wow.
pulling up. That's so much power. Holy crap. Oh! Shoo. So now we're in rough like grass here. No problem at all. Oh my gosh. I mean, I pretty much had it, but I was spinning too much that I basically made it.
Yeah.
Oh man, muddy. Pulls right up it though. Wow, that's pretty good. Wow, this thing's awesome. How does this thing even do it? I don't understand. I'm on a scooter and it's like, no problem. I keep thinking it's gonna stop though, and it just keeps going like up the hill. Like,
I mean, it's on street tires.
yeah, it's on street tires. All-wheel drive for the win. Not bad though, going down that pretty steep hill. Pretty controlled. Shoot. 20. Oh my gosh, that's fast in the woods.
Wow, that was fast.
Feels pretty good. I mean, I was going over 20 there.
I believe it.
I mean, it feels really smooth.
Dude,
going
you're
through it.
rooster tailing
Yeah.
the whole way.
Oh my. It's mad nice, right?
I love this thing.
Suspension feels great in the woods.
Yeah.
It's crazy with little 10-inch tires, street tires.
Yeah.
Look at that. Still does well. It's all about that all-wheel drive, I think,
Oh, for sure.
and the suspension.
Thoughts on the big day?
I'm a little scared because this thing has a lot of power, and if I hit the throttle wrong, I might just loop back off the ramp. I am glad I have suspension for once, so I'm not gonna have such a hard landing. But I guess we'll just put it out here and see what happens.
So you're gonna attempt to occupy Mars.
And I did reinforce the ramp, as you can see in the middle,
Oh, wow.
so that I can take the dirt bike off it, so it should be totally fine for this heavy scooter. Okay, dual motor, turbo mode. Oh man. It's weird because like the whole bars like move because of the suspension.
Yeah.
All right, I think I'm going for it. Whoa! Dude, that was like landing on a pillow. That was so nice. I mean, I wasn't going that fast. I could probably go a lot faster.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Get the wind up in the garage here. Oh my gosh! So I just did an all-wheel drive drift in the garage on accident.
Really?
As I was accelerating.
Nice.
Let's try that again. Oh man, easy. It's like nothing. That feels really good, honestly.
Yeah?
I mean, like you feel the suspension take the jump, but then you land and it's like bouncy. It's like nice. You're just like bouncing. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, that was the biggest one. I went really far on that one.
Dude, you went out of frame.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. All right, that was the farthest one.
Oh my
I pretty
God.
much went full throttle at it out of the garage. That was pretty good.
That was really high.
I'd say it flies pretty straight.
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with that. Kind of pretty much the comfiest landing of any other device that I have taken off this.
Device.
I've taken the dirt bike, the Turbo Ant, and the Magicycle off of it. And I think this is pretty much the comfiest landing. Okay, this ramp is way too tight for this thing, but
Whoop.
we'll see if it can climb at all. This is like a 4.5 foot quarter right here. It's just gonna spin, but oh my gosh, I'm scared. It can fakie. Oh, oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared to give it more throttle than that. Oh, maybe. I'm gonna hit a car. Oh my gosh. Did not hit the wall. I did not hit the wall. That was close. It has enough power. I'm just.
Yeah,
I don't think I'm gonna.
I see what you mean.
Yeah. All right, guys. So there it is. That is the Varla Eagle 1 out on the dirt bike trails and also taking it off some jumps. Overall, very pleased with how it did. Nothing broke. That's pretty impressive. I got some decent air. I would say that's pretty decent air. It's all functioning fine now. I think we still have like 2.5 or 3 bars of battery left, so still about 50% battery. And that was all from the first testing video and today with all of the things through the trails, going up all the hills. So I think the range is pretty good and the battery is really big. So it's down here in the deck. And so this is listed for about $1,700, but there is a code right now for $250 off. You'll see that right on their website. So right at $1,450 for this. Yes, it's a little bit more than the normal scooters, but like I showed, it is on a whole nother level in a whole different league compared to a regular scooter. The all-wheel drive, I think, is the most important part for me. That does amazing out in the trails. It would be basically impossible to go through the trails without it. All the trails were covered in leaves and it still did fine. But the combination of the all-wheel drive and the nice soft suspension, it feels right at home out on the trails. And also, by the way, we did not try the headlight yet. So there it is. There's a dual headlight and dual tail light. So it looks pretty good. Let's turn the lights off here. Those definitely seem pretty bright, so I think you'd be pretty safe to drive this at night. Everyone can see you. And as we showed before, the back blinks when you hit the brakes. So like I said, there's a link down below if you're interested in getting one of these beasts. But that's gonna be it for today. Let me know what you guys think of the new 40 mile per hour all-terrain scooter.